goodness, I haven't posted a video in weeks. Hello, Mother. I was kind of like recording something. You want to say hi to my peoples?
Okay. Hi, peoples.
Say hi to my peoples. Look, that's my
Hi,
mom.
peoples. Mom here.
Yes.
Nice to meet you all.
Yeah. Yeah. I only have 10 subscribers. Isn't that sad?
You need to help her get more subscribers.
See, she even agrees.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Are we going to the mall today?
Sure.
Don't you need those suspenders?
Yeah. Yeah. See my blonde hairs? Yeah, those are extensions and stuff. Because ow. I pulled my hair. Sometime this week I'm gonna go and get my hair cut and get coloring in my hair. Cut bangs like on the side. Like that. And then I wanted like my bangs and like the sides of my hair blonde and like the back. I have an itch on my head and like the back of it just like regular brown. I wanted my hair to look like Hatsuharu Soma because I just love his hair and I thought it was pretty cool. And I found a wig online and I'm debating whether to buy his costume or not, but I can't find the coat, so I'm getting really upset. I can find everything else but the coat. And so I wanted to get my hair done like that. So I showed her the picture of the wig, and while she was looking around for pictures and stuff, she stumbled upon a picture of a keto Soma, and she said, "Why don't you get your hair cut like this?" And I'm like, no, I am not getting my hair cut like a freaky he-she who, like, whips people and throws vases at people. And she was so lost because she does not watch that, and she has no idea what I was talking about. It was pretty funny because the look on her face was just like, dude, you kind of creeped me out. Got my hand down to the soy sauce and I'm trying to get up the energy to belch. Not this is like the vomit hand. Vomit hand. Trying to beat Georgie in a belch contest, and I need to shake up a soda and then swallow it. Okay. It almost came up my nose. That one was a lot of fizz. Okay, I'm getting energy. It's like a horse. Like in belch contest. Oh my god. Oh, that one was good. Where's a good one? Move on. I can burp the alphabet right now. Gotta use like calm zen of Belgium. It could be like Iron Man, like the light on my hand. That one was really good. This has been a random episode of T.A.O.S. I didn't really have much to talk about except for me burping 30,000 million. I gotta make a song, like the Nina Belch song or whatever. I'll be making another one right after this because then I gotta have something to talk about, and I just like completely wasted one whole episode, which was just terrible. So this has been T.A.O.S, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. So see ya.